Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson WP-4535. This is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but the screen and the control panel you can see here. So to get ourselves started, we need to go into Setup, which we do by pressing this button with the screwdriver and a spanner here. From here, ink levels is the very first option, so we just press OK. And here we have a visual representation of black, yellow, magenta and cyan ink from your printer. You can also see the estimated level of the waste ink box on the right here, which needs changing much less frequently than the cartridges, but it's still a consumable as far as the machine goes. Now, if you're checking these estimated ink levels due to a print quality problem you're having, it's actually unlikely to be any of the ink cartridges as a direct cause. What's more likely is that the print head the printer uses to essentially spray ink onto the page has become partially blocked, and I would recommend running some cleaning cycles and test pages from the printer to hopefully resolve that issue. If you're interested, we have a separate video on our channel showing how to clean the print head and also print a test page on our channel. If this video has been useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.